permanently. You make me weak, baby, thirsty for release. One come compliment me, then become an enemy. Drop it like the parents low key. It's you, baby girl, I'm tryna breathe. Please, baby, try understand.
Hey guys, bikini here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be starting this new series called Crocheting My Summer Wardrobe. I'm actually so excited to start this series because I've been crocheting so much lately, and you know, this is just a way to show you guys, you know, my process as to how I create my clothing, and just to show you guys what I'm actually going to be up to in terms of crochet. For this video I'm going to be crocheting a skull cap and a bikini top, and they're going to be matching in colors basically. So I have these 4 colors here. This is a very nice color scheme. I really like, you know, the color pattern and everything, and it's like very summery. So that's what I'm going to be using for today. So initially I wanted to do a mesh skull cap, but I don't really have the pattern for that down yet. But I'm just gonna do like something fitted, something unique. I'm just gonna play around with like lots of stitches. I've only found myself using double crochets these days, and I don't know what that's about, but I need to switch it up a bit. And I'm gonna make a very basic bikini top, very basic bikini top, nothing too extravagant. I think I already have a bikini top tutorial, so I'll just be using that one. Bikini tops, they come like very quick to me. It's just two bra cups, like it's really nothing serious. But for my skull cap though, I wanted to like, you know, like be like, oh my god, someone's gonna see that. I'm like, oh my god, that is really pretty. This yarn that I'm using, I got it from AliExpress. It is very thin, very thin yarn. It's like about 2 millimeters. I don't know what it says here because it's in a different language. I'm gonna put the links in the description if you're looking for this yarn. You can get it on AliExpress. And I'm also gonna be using where's my crochet hook? I'm gonna be using a 3 millimeter crochet hook. I got this crochet hook from where did I get this from? I think I got this from Michaels. I'm not too sure, but Michaels has this, like Amazon has it, Shein has it, like you can search up anywhere. Even AliExpress should have it. I'm gonna be using those 4 colors, and I really hope the project turns out really like nice. I just have to plan like what I have to do on each step. I'm also gonna put out a tutorial for the skull cap as well. It's not gonna be a mesh skull cap. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's just gonna be a skull cap. Still have to figure that out. Also guys, I just did my hair, so like a skull cap is gonna fit so snug on my head. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Anyways guys, before I proceed, I just wanted to ask you guys to subscribe, like this video, follow my Pinterest, follow my Instagram, and follow my TikTok. Okay, and if you don't, I'll look for you. I'll find you. Share this video to your loved ones. They probably don't care, but still share it anyways. Yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, so I basically started working on the mesh cap, but I just needed to figure out my like top stitches for like the top of the hat first. So basically like the increasing, I know it's just one solid color, but I'm just using this as a guide for when I start the actual skull cap. And I did start, and I'm just trying to write down like a pattern so I don't get confused when I'm actually doing the tutorial. This is what I have so far. Looks good. I'm just trying to like figure out the patterns, and like just trying to see like, oh, which stitch is good here, which stitch is good here. And I know I said I wasn't going to use double crochet stitches, and all of these are actually double crochet stitches. There's a granny stitch here, and there's also like a granny stitch but with like 2 double crochets. But like it looks good so far. I'm just gonna continue and I'll show you guys my process of making these. I don't think I want the colors to go in chronological order, so I'm just gonna write how I want the colors to go. I could decide to put like maybe a white here or a red here or something. I just don't want it to go in chronological order. I just want it to be like all like jumbled up so it doesn't look planned, but it's planned. So I'm done with the top part of the hat, and I really like how this is looking so far. I really love the patterns and I love the stitches. I used an X stitch here, and I used regular double crochets on the yellow part, and then I used the V stitch on the green part, and it just looks really nice. Like, it's coming well together. It's mesh but not mesh, and it just looks really nice and unique. That's really what I was going for here. So I'm going to start making like the hat itself, just like the body of the hat, and this is going to be basic like cover round. So I'm gonna stop doing increases here. I'm just gonna follow the color scheme, and then I'll just continue with the hat. Hey guys, so this is what I've been able to come up with so far. It's looking very nice, very good, and I'm so happy with how it's coming out. I have a very bad feeling though that this is not gonna fit, and if it doesn't fit, bro, I'll be so pissed. I already tried putting it on my head. Like, it looks good, it looks, you know, oh, it looks really good, but like, I'm still scared that it's not gonna fit. I just hope it fits, because these stitches that I'm doing, like, they're stretching, which is a good thing, but I hope it fits. But I'm really happy with the color pattern. Like, even the stitches, bro, like, bro. So this is what it feels like to use other stitches other than double crochet. Like, the sun is basically going down right now. It's very gloomy and it's raining outside. So I'm just going to stop now because I feel so tired, and I'm just going to take a break. And then I'll just work on my script for the pattern or for the tutorial, and then also study. So I'll see you guys tomorrow once I'm completing the hat. It should be completed by tomorrow, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated, and I'll keep you guys posted on like my progress and everything.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit.
Hey guys, it's a bright and it's a beautiful day, and I'm basically done. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This came out even better than I thought. This came out much more better than I actually expected. Like, that color scheme, the stitches, everything just came out so nice. Let me wear it for you guys. And I was also scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but like, it worked out. It worked out really fine, and I was scared for nothing. Look how good that looks. Like, it just looks so good. Look at the stitches. And I was thinking of adding one more row, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I don't want it to like block my ears. Like, it literally just like reaches like on top of my ear, so I don't want to block it, but I really love it. I love it so much. As I did say in the beginning of this video, I was gonna do the bikini top as well, so I'm gonna get started on that. And then once I finish with the bikini top, this project and this like whole outfit is gonna be complete. I'm actually so happy because everything's turning out how I really wanted it to turn out. I'm just so grateful that this fit. I'm gonna do a tutorial though, but I'm gonna do a tutorial with just one regular color. I tried to weave in my ends, you know, like the back will always look, you know, different, but the front looks really good. I'm gonna go finish up the bikini top, and I'll show you guys the finished look and the finished outfit once it's all done. So you guys just saw the final outfits. They turned out so nice. As you guys saw in the other videos, I ended up making another white solid color for the mesh hat, and it came out so lovely. I even think I like it just as a solid white color than as like a multicolor, but they both look nice. I'm really happy about how the projects turned out. Even the bikini top turned out good, like no complaints whatsoever, and I'm just happy that everything worked out in the end. So this is now the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The tutorial will be out soon. Once it's out, I'm gonna put the link in this description, so also check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, follow my socials, and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.